That's right, free at different.
Yeah,
This was the Crossman.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, it's some nice stuff.
Gotta love
That's people do it in their garage and don't have any brains. That could kill that poor man.
Well, this one's got a washer on it.
Closer.
it. You gotta sand it down. You get your old Clecos. Hold it in spot. Hopefully, you drilled it right. So, you just kind of do that all the way around. And
I can drive around 100 and not blow the motor up, so that'd be good. Just put the 5-speed in it after the 383, so he'll be happy now. He'll come get it this afternoon and beat her up. And that's it. On to the next one.